Hello. This time I'm gonna do the unboxing of my DJI Osmo Mobile 3 combo. I'm gonna use the knife. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. Okay, I'm gonna open it using this knife. Okay, let's see. You have to remove the plastic. Now remove the plastic already. Leave it there. Okay, from here. Use the knife to take this. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're almost open up. Now what's inside? Here, there's the box. And there's another box inside also. Gonna open this box so we know what's inside. How to open this one? I don't know. Okay. Gonna do this. Open this. This is the USB cord. Here's the USB cord. This open all this. Here's the bag. You have the bag, and then maybe do like this. Later on I will explain you what's that. Okay, there's a sticker. This one could be the phone holder. This one is the stand. Okay, like this, the tripod. And we'll open up the plastic. Okay. So there's a box for the gimbal. go. Okay. Go like this. Then install this one for this part. It's gonna move by itself. Gonna check where's the manual. Oh, here's the manual. Yeah, this one is including with the bags. So there's no need for the battery for this because gonna use the charger, and you need also an adapter for this. So you can plug in and then gonna charge for this. Okay, do like this. This side. It's good. Now we cannot operate this one because it's not yet been charged. Just only open it for this time. So okay guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned. So well, for the next video I will show you on how to program this one and how to use this one. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoy watching my video, and thanks to all of my subscribers, and please, to those people not yet been subscribed with my channel, just search YouTube Rax Pinoy. Bye for now guys, take care.